Oh. Oh. Oh man, exercise so much.
Yeah.
Nice. Bro, the bird's shot. Fuck. The bird's shot on your head. Alright. The bird's shot on your head, bro. You want some water?
Yeah. Thank you, Vicky. Can you get some water, please?
Sure. Yeah, bro.
What is that?
Don't know what's going on. The bird fucking.
Yeah. So sorry, man. Give me some
worse.
water, please. Yeah. What was that?
Not sure. Not sure. The bird fucking. Don't. You want some more?
Yeah. So sorry, I'm using the water,
No worries.
please, bro.
No problem, man. As long as it's getting.
Give me some water, please. Thank you.
Not sure, bro. Sorry. Here.
I'm so sorry.
You want some more?
Yeah, man. Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry you're using the water.
No problem, bro.
Yeah, here, man. Thanks a lot.
No problem.
Thanks, sorry. Sorry, man. Here, thank you. Brother, just here.
Brother, I'm just trying to help you out.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
Here. I'm putting it here.
Here. Brother, here. Brother, here. Thank you so much. Here. Brother, look at me. Here.
Brother, why are you getting angry with me? Bro, why are you getting angry with me?
Brother, look at me. Here.
Brother, why are you getting angry with me? Here.
My eyes brown, bro. Here.
Brother,
Brother, here.
why are you getting angry with me, bro? I'm just trying to help. Here, bro.
Here.
Here.
Brother.
Yes, brother, here.
Brother, my eyes brown. Here.
Yeah. Where?
Brother,
Here.
here.
Here, man. Why are you getting angry
Okay,
with me?
here.
Here.
Yeah. Thanks,
Good?
thanks,
No problem, bro. Here. All good? What's wrong?
Brother, here. No, here. Shit.
Here, bro. You want some more?
Yeah.
No
Thanks
problem.
a lot.
All good?
Thanks. All good.
All good?
All good, man. All good, thanks.
No problem. I'm running out of finish, man. I'll finish my water. I just got a little bit more.
Thank you so much.
No problem, man.
Yeah.
That's all I had. You just finished my water completely.
No,
Come on, man. I'm going. I'm sorry. Brother. Yes, brother. Brother. I'm sorry.
Brother,
I just finished my water, bro.
finish water.
Yeah.
Brother,
I don't have more. Brother, you okay? Here, bro.
yeah.
What's wrong? Brother, I don't have any more water. Bro, can you see it?
Brother.
Oh my God. Yes, bro.
For you.
Here. I don't have anything else to give you.
No.
What's wrong?
Brother, give me water, please.
Water? How can I give you water?
No water.
Finish.
Finish.
Yeah.
Brother, my eyes is full.
What's wrong?
Shit.
Bro, just one sec.
Give me.
One
Can
sec.
you help me?
Brother,
can you
one
help?
second. Brother, why you... Bro, are you kidding me?
I'm so sorry.
Brother, can you
Brother,
just give me 1 second?
I need the water. Thank you, bro.
Bro, how can I do this? I'm
Yeah,
out of
yeah,
water.
I need the water.
I'm out of water, bro.
Yeah,
So we are doing a prank on you.
Like you prank.
Yeah, we're doing a prank. This is my guy.
Sorry, man. You okay? You okay, buddy?
This is our camera.
I have some shampoo for you.
Shampoo? Fuck you, man. Fuck you, my eyes are bro. Fuck you, man. Fuck you, man.
Not good. Not good. Brother, sorry, man. He's very
We're
bad.
just joking with you.
We're gonna pay you out, man. We're just gonna pay you out to
just give you-
to compensate. Good money for you, man. Appreciate it.
Branded shampoo.
You got a good brand for you.
Good brand shampoo.
No.
Pretty good shampoo. Pretty good shampoo. That's our camera over there.
And we had another camera person there.
Oh, good.
We were
you,
just
son.
doing a joke on you,
Don't worry.
man. Just
Don't-
show a thumbs up to our
Shit, man,
camera,
just show her- please.